Well, hi there, folks. Just like to say a big thank you to all my subscribers, old and new. I've just reached a minor milestone, 8,500 subscribers. So onwards and upwards. And thank you for continuing to support my channel. But what's coming next, you may ask? Well, if you've been a subscriber for any length of time, you can't fail to have noticed that I've made quite a considerable number of little glider conversions, cheap foamy glider conversions. Probably about 15 or so of the big ones and 6 of the small ones now. And that includes singles, twins, Vulcans, EDFs, biplanes, you name it, I've done it. So what possibly can follow up? Well, I've never ever made a Highwing version. So, the thing I've been working on most recently, apart from my journey into trying to fly FPV, which is still ongoing, the thing I've been working on is a Highwing version. Now, this is intended to be a very easy to fly trainer type plane for beginners. It will have a very simple complete build blog that I'm also working on. All I'm waiting for at the moment is some decent flying weather so that I can go out and give it some good flight trials. So, with a bit of luck, that is what's coming soon. But I'll stop waffling on. As I say, the main thing I wanted to do was say a big thank you to everyone who subscribed and supported my channel for the past many years. And I hope you continue to do so. And if you're new to my channel, please check it out. I'm sure you'll find something there to keep you amused. Thanks again for watching. Hopefully I'll catch you all again soon with more details of my Easy Rider little beginner plane and some wonderful test flights. But that's all for now. Catch you later. Bye for now.